Hey, looking for a reason to visit Southern Oklahoma, or even better yet, move here? Well, I'm going to be driving around town looking at the splash pads located around Ardmore in the city parks. So stay tuned as we go for a little road trip. Hey everybody, my name is Stacy Hesser and I'm a licensed realtor here in the state of Oklahoma, specifically serving the southern portion of the state around the I-35 corridor. So today we're going to be checking out the splash pads that are here around town and more importantly, free entertainment for the kids. So check it out as we go driving around town. Dun dun dun! Splash pad of Douglas Park. We are on the corner of 11th and N Street. I'm going to give you a little pan of the area. By this splash pad, you do have a nice little area, I always call it the drive park. Swing sets, got a great little splash pad here, a pavilion over there to have some picnic lunch, and a little basketball court. I really want to get in it right now. 90 degrees out today, people. 90 degrees. We're here at Whittington Park. Splash pad. Plus, you've got a covered area for the parents. Over here, we have some basketball courts and tennis courts. This is actually a bigger park. It really pushes back that way. So there's several places to park around here. There's also a huge covered pavilion over there. So a great picnic area, good place to have parties. And playground area over here. Just wanted to give you a better shot of the play area around here. I always love it when they put these chips down just so your kids don't get wounded if they happen to fall. Got some swing sets. Used to love swinging on the swing set and jumping off. More basketball courts, more parking. And if you're curious about what's in the background, that's actually the Hardy Murphy Coliseum over there, home of many rodeos and craft shows and many other things. So here we are at Southwest Park. You can see there's plenty of parking right here. You do have a dry park, if you will, plenty of area to walk around. You've got a couple of pavilions that are located around here and providing shade while these trees all grow up around the area. Over there is the splash pad. There are some bathrooms right there. They are single holes, so if you open up the door, it's just open to a bathroom, so there's plenty of space in there to change or whatever you need to do. There's also a diaper changing facility in there too, as well as water fountains. So this is on Plainview Drive, so this is kind of what the area looks like around here. Plainview Schools is right over there. And there you go. There you go. We are at the splash pads of all splash pads. It's actually our official water park for Ardmore. We are on the corner of F Street and 3rd Street. So this is F Street. This is 3rd Street. Lots of parking. Sorry, I just always got to feature a little bit of art when I find it. See if we can sneak a view in here. Oh yeah. Here, this is why I can't go in. School started, even though it's 90 degrees outside, the park's closed. So, there you go. It's really quite a facility. Has everything that a typical community park would have. So I am at Central Park. I wanted to just this is one of my favorite parks. This is literally on Main Street, right there in Ardmore, and the landscaping here is just beautiful. They've been doing a project down here with the buffaloes. I just love this. I'm I'm an artsy-fartsy kind of person, so I just love this stuff. This is a brand new one that was just debuted. Love it! It's a small park, but it's got gorgeous landscaping, as you can tell. Very photogenic. Got a nice little playground over there for the kiddos. Place you could possibly do a little play, a little performing arts, and then over yonder, splash pad, splash pad. Just love all the trees around here. Plenty of places to sit down and just take a break, take a load off. Water fountain. Restrooms. So good news here, the restrooms are a two-holer. One of them is handicapped, so plenty of room to change if you want to get your kid out of their wet clothes. So hope you enjoy all of this, you guys. If you like this video, please feel free to like and subscribe and even share. Please add any comments if I've missed any parks or if you have anything to add, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye. Hey everybody, so still curious why you should, damn it. Looking at some of the parks that are around the state as my dog here gets a drink of water. But anyway, to enjoy, I don't like any of this. Whatever. Oh, we don't want to show that either. I think this will work as I wait for the dog. I keep waiting for the dog to move, but I don't think he's gonna move. Oh. There he goes. Hey everybody, Hey everybody, still curious why you should move to... Did I just say that right? I'm thankful my phone didn't drop off. That would have been terrible. Flip the camera around. Or I'm not gonna flip the camera around. Huh. That's weird. Oh, that was horrible. I don't know why I keep recording. This is just bad. I'm hoping I can, anyway.